Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create zoom transition video editing in CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my CapCut application and then I'm going to create new project here. Select new project and then you can choose some photos that you want to edit. Here, I'm just going to pick random photos from my gallery. And then I'm going to add the photos to my project. Okay, now the photos have been added, and then I'm going to add audio to this project. So I'm going to click on audio here, select sounds, and then you can either add audio from CapCut or you can import your own audio. And for me, I'm just going to choose audio from here. I'm going to select the beats category and I'm going to choose one of the beats category. For example, this one guys is for the example, and then I'm going to add the music to my project. Okay, click on the plus icon, and then I'm going to add beat mark to the audio. So I'm going to go to the beats menu here, and then I'm going to automatically add the beat mark, so we can select auto generate. Okay, now the beat mark have been added to my audio, and then I'm going to customize the intensity. All right, and then I'm going to cut my photo according to the beat marks. Okay, like this. I'm going to adjust it one by one. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, and then I'm going to add zoom transition to my project. We're going to search for zoom transition, and then you can choose the transition that you like. Okay, unfortunately most of them are not free, so it's pretty hard for me to choose the free zoom transition. Okay, let me just pick random free transition, this one. Okay, and let's play it. I'm going to play it guys. Oops, sorry, I'm going to apply this transition to all my clips, so we can click on apply to all, and this is the result. All right. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create zoom transition video editing on CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.